If you're ready to turn your dreams into reality, then listen up. Welcome to the Mr. Guide channel. We're here to take you on a transformative journey from struggles to success. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Your future self will thank you. Financial literacy is about taking charge of your money. It's about making smart choices. With financial literacy, you can achieve your goals. You can build a secure future. Financial literacy is knowledge and understanding. It's about money and how it works. It includes budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. These are essential skills for everyone. When you are financially literate, you make informed decisions. You understand financial products. You avoid common pitfalls. Financial literacy empowers you. You can control your financial well-being. You can achieve financial freedom. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial health. It's about understanding your income. It's about managing your expenses. A well-crafted budget is your roadmap to financial success. The 50/30/20 rule is a simple yet effective budgeting method. Allocate 50% of your after-tax income to needs. Needs are essentials like housing, food, and transportation. Devote 30% to wants, the fun stuff. This category covers dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. The remaining 20% goes towards savings and debt repayment. Tracking your expenses is crucial. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or a simple notebook. Knowing where your money goes allows you to make adjustments. It helps you stay on track. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. From unexpected car repairs to sudden medical emergencies, these surprises can catch us off guard. An emergency fund is your financial safety net, a crucial buffer that can help you navigate through these tough times. It's a buffer against unexpected events, providing a financial cushion when you need it the most. It protects you from financial hardship, ensuring that you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans. Imagine your car breaks down, leaving you stranded and in need of costly repairs. Or you face a medical emergency that requires immediate attention and funds. These events can strain your finances, making it difficult to manage your day-to-day expenses. An emergency fund provides a cushion, allowing you to cover these unexpected costs without financial stress. It allows you to cover these expenses without going into debt, maintaining your financial stability. Start by saving a small amount each month, even if it's just a few dollars. Gradually increase your savings over time as your financial situation allows. Aim to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up so you can handle any emergency with ease. This will give you peace of mind, knowing that you have a financial safety net in place. Having an emergency fund reduces stress, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life. It gives you a sense of security, knowing that you're prepared for the unexpected. You'll be prepared to handle whatever life throws your way with confidence and peace of mind. Investing is essential for growing your wealth. It allows your money to work for you. Over time, investing can help you build a secure financial future. There are various investment options. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Bonds are loans you make to governments or corporations. Mutual funds and ETFs offer diversified investments. Each investment carries different levels of risk. Stocks have the potential for high returns. They also come with higher volatility. Bonds are generally less risky but offer lower returns. Before investing, do your research. Understand your risk tolerance. Consider your financial goals. Seek advice from a financial advisor if needed. Section 5. Conquering debt. Strategies for a debt-free life. Debt can be a significant obstacle to financial freedom. It can drain your income and limit your options. Managing and eliminating debt is crucial for achieving financial well-being. The snowball method is a popular debt repayment strategy. List your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first. While paying the minimum on other debts, put as much as possible towards the smallest one. Once it's paid off, roll that amount into the next smallest debt. This method creates momentum. As you pay off each debt, you gain a sense of accomplishment. This motivates you to keep going until you are debt-free. Section 6. Assets versus liabilities. Understanding the building blocks of wealth. This section is crucial for anyone looking to secure their financial future. Understanding the difference between assets and liabilities is fundamental to building wealth. It's the cornerstone of financial literacy and a key concept for anyone aiming to achieve financial independence. Assets put money in your pocket. They are resources that generate income or appreciate over time, such as stocks, bonds, and rental properties. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. These are obligations or debts that require ongoing payments like loans, credit card debt, and mortgages. A house is a common example. It can be both an asset and a liability, depending on how it is used. If you own a house and rent it out, it's an asset. It generates income through rental payments, which can help you build wealth over time. If you have a mortgage on a house you live in, it's a liability. It costs you money in the form of mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance. Cars are typically liabilities as well. They depreciate in value and come with ongoing expenses like insurance, fuel, and repairs, which can add up over time. Investments, on the other hand, are assets. They have the potential to generate income through dividends or interest and appreciate in value over time. They have the potential to generate income and appreciate in value. This growth can significantly contribute to your overall wealth. By focusing on acquiring assets and minimizing liabilities, you can build a strong financial foundation. Diversifying your investments can also help mitigate risks and enhance returns. You can create a path towards long-term wealth. This journey requires discipline, knowledge, and strategic planning, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Section 7. Learning from the best inspiring stories of financial success. Countless individuals have achieved financial success through hard work, discipline, and smart financial decisions. Their stories serve as inspiration and proof that financial freedom is attainable. Take, for instance, Oprah Winfrey. She rose from poverty to become a media mogul and philanthropist. Her financial savvy and investment acumen played a significant role in her success. Another example is Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time. His disciplined approach to investing and long-term perspective have earned him billions. These stories highlight the transformative power of financial literacy. They demonstrate that with knowledge, dedication, and a solid plan, anyone can achieve financial success. Section 8. Your journey to financial wellness. Financial literacy is not just about numbers, it's about empowerment, security, and opportunity. It's about taking control of your financial well-being and building a brighter future. We've covered the importance of budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. We've explored the difference between assets and liabilities, and the inspiring stories of successful individuals. Now, it's time to take action. Start by assessing your current financial situation. Create a budget, build an emergency fund, and explore investment options. Seek resources and support when needed. Section 9. Never stop learning, the key to lifelong financial success. The world of finance is constantly evolving. New products and strategies emerge. Staying informed is crucial for making sound financial decisions throughout your life. Continuous learning is essential for maintaining financial literacy. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial websites and blogs. Seek guidance from financial advisors. They can provide personalized advice and help you navigate complex financial matters. Remember, financial literacy is an ongoing journey, not a destination. By embracing lifelong learning, you can adapt to changing circumstances. You can make informed decisions for a secure financial future. Section 10. Take charge of your future. Financial literacy is within your reach. Financial literacy might seem daunting at first, but it's a journey worth taking. You don't need to be a financial expert to manage your money effectively. With the right knowledge and tools, you can achieve your financial goals. Embrace the power of financial literacy. Start small, take it one step at a time, and celebrate your progress. Remember, every positive step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. You have the power to shape your financial destiny. Don't let financial illiteracy hold you back. Take charge of your finances today. Build a more secure and prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Section 11. Join the movement. Let's build a more financially literate world. Financial literacy is a crucial skill that everyone should have, yet many people lack the basic understanding of managing their finances effectively. Financial literacy is not just an individual pursuit, it's a collective responsibility. When we come together as a community, we can share valuable insights and strategies that benefit everyone. By sharing our knowledge and resources, we can empower others to take control of their financial well-being. Imagine the impact we can make if everyone had the tools to manage their money wisely. Talk to your friends, family, and colleagues about the importance of financial literacy. These conversations can spark interest and motivate others to learn more about managing their finances. Share your experiences, both successes and challenges. Your personal stories can inspire others and provide practical examples of how to navigate financial hurdles. Encourage them to embark on their own journeys towards financial wellness. Offer support and guidance as they take steps to improve their financial health. Support organizations and initiatives that promote financial education. These groups play a vital role in spreading awareness and providing resources to those in need. Volunteer your time or donate resources to help make a difference in your community. Every little bit helps, and your contribution can have a lasting impact. Together, we can create a world where everyone has the knowledge and tools to achieve financial security. Imagine a future where financial stress is minimized and people can focus on their dreams and aspirations. Let's work together to build a more financially literate and empowered society. By joining forces, we can ensure that everyone has the opportunity to thrive financially and live a more secure and fulfilling life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Mr. Guide for more great advice.